Hello everyone, DCB here, and welcome to another Warhammer 40,000 modder build. In this one I'm showing you how to build the Necron Skorpekh Destroyers. I believe that's how it's pronounced, or Skorpekh Destroyers. These three variants here. I will be going through a bit of the lore with some time-lapse footage, so let's begin today's build.
The Skorpekh Destroyer is a variant of the standard Necron Destroyer that has modified its form to possess 3 legs rather than an anti-grav unit. It is driven into combat by a deep and uncontrollable insanity that expresses itself in the form of rage against organic life. Skorpekh Destroyers are members of the nihilistic Necron Destroyer cults of the Red Harvest that make even other Necrons uneasy, with their single-minded focus on slaughter. Like all other Necron Destroyers, they also find their only purpose in eradicating all forms of organic life in the galaxy. But unlike other Destroyers and Heavy Destroyers, Skorpekh Destroyers like to reap their foes up close and personal with murderous sweeps of their enormous blades. Each Skorpekh Destroyer is armed with a powerful Necron melee weapon known as a Hyperphase Reap Blade. That's a Hyperphase Reap Blade. And that is all the lore I've been able to find on the unit from the Warhammer 40k wiki, and with the access I have to the Warhammer 40k site. However, I would like to read you this passage from Skorpekh, the Last of the Silent Kings. The Destroyers. They are only weapons, nothing more, and should be expected as such. They are Necron only in form, having been reborn to a madness deeper than any other, so which I have bore witness. Whilst I hold nothing but approval for their drive and efficiency, I can present no logic adequate to justify their ultimate goal. A warrior's proper function is to fight for a profound objective, to leave behind works of deeds greater than themselves. Given free rein, the Destroyers would leave nothing behind, not life, nor art, nor glory, only dust would remain. I am a soulless machine, yet even I feel pity for their victims.
Just thought I would share that quote with you as well to sort of emphasize how other Necrons feel about the Destroyers and what they do. What I'll do for the rest of this video, since I can't find any lore or any more lore on these particular units, which I apologize for, is give you some nice copyright-free music to go with it, and then I'll talk to you about how they look once they're done.
And there they are, the Skorpekh Destroyers, all built and ready to be painted. As you can see, these 3 lovely models have their own specific poses. One looks like it's running towards its victims, one looks like it's looking down at them, the other one's, well, he's having a fun time getting nice out and close and personal. I will be painting these in my own particular colour scheme, which is the same one I used for my Necron Lord. Links to that video can be found in the description down below. As always, I do hope that you've enjoyed the video, found it interesting. Please do put your thoughts in the comments below, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you're looking forward to, and so on. If you enjoyed the video, please do, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. And until the next one, this is DCB. Knowledge is power if we use it wisely.